Happy Friday, family. I know a lot of you guys do not have your apothecary together. But look, it's something I wanted to share with you, and it's really something natural that helps with infections. Now they look, and it's just using vegetables, fruits and vegetables. But look, get your apothecary together, because I just want to share something with you so you guys know. I was talking with my mom, and she was telling me about something that my great grandmother used to use, and it was a special cider. I had to try it. I had to put that in my arsenal for, survival. This is something that will last for years. It should last for about 10 years, between 5 to 10 years, and I just want to share it with you. Look, just want to just let you know it does boost your immune system, and that's the main thing we need for this time and age, because look, we just don't know. We just don't know. The pandemic is still going, and I'm just going to just give you the great benefits with this fire, with this natural antibiotic. Kills infections. I'm not going to say all infections, but it says any infection. And this is just studies shown. Look, this is an old family recipe, not my family, but you know how our elders and our great grandparents have hidden secrets that, we just find out later in life. And look, I'm in my 50s. I'm 53 years old, and I'm just finding out this recipe. I was speaking to my cousin Jay, and she's like, yeah, girl, I know about that fire. So look, I had to try, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But look, the great, because it fights off the colds and the flu. Shoot. When I heard that, I was like, I'm good. I'm sold. Because look, I have sinus infections. I don't know. I get sinus infections. I'm allergic to grass. I'm allergic to some trees. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. And everybody got cats. And I'm allergic. So look, I get sinus infections very fast. So I try to use everything, and I want natural stuff. But look, let me show you. I got my little notes. I want to make sure that I tell you what it does. And look, it's wonderful. Like I told you, it boosts your immune system. Shoot, you should be sold just hearing that. But look, it has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. Look, I'm sold. I'm sold just for the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. I am sold there. It's packed with so many vitamins. Look, so many vitamins, minerals, and when it's fused, it creates a healing oil. So it's healing oils in there. Look, and we need that. Like our body be aching, just think of what it does. It pretty much get that mucus out your body. And infection, it says any infection. Study shown, it shows any infection. So I'm like, wow, this must be some powerful stuff. So, I'm going to go ahead and make it for you guys. I'm going to show you guys just how to make it. And look, it has antioxidants, and again, it boosts your immune system. Look, we in this pandemic. So we want to make sure that we fight off everything. We want to make sure that we take things that block everything. Look, you already taken that, that garlic MSM to protect your lungs and pretty much protect yourself too, your barrier. But you want to double up. You want to make sure, because look, them immunizations are, well, we got a couple of months, 3 months, probably about 90 days. We'll be taking them shots, and we want everything. We want every arsenal. We want to make sure that we have every arsenal. So look, you guys, come on, let's go upstairs, and I'm gonna go to the kitchen and show you guys just how to make this fire. All right, family, what you're gonna need chili peppers. You're gonna need apple cider vinegar. You will need horseradish. You need ginger, garlic, turmeric, honey, and an onion. I'm gonna put a little black pepper in there. So that's my little secret. I'm putting black pepper in there. Just so you know, when you chop everything up, you put it inside of a glass container. And please do not use a metal lid. You want to use a plastic lid. Do not use metal. And look, you put everything together. You put everything inside of the container. Some people, you can blend it up, but I don't want mine blended. I do not want to make a paste. What I want to do, I want it whole. I want to get everything. This process takes 2 to 4 weeks. I'm going to let mine sit longer. And what you want to do every day, you want to shake it up. So once you put it all together and put your apple cider vinegar over it, and look, you do not add the honey during this time, but you will cover it up and shake it. You want to put it in a dark place. So put it like under your cabinet, away from light. Listen, remember, you must shake it. You can shake it 2 to 3 times a day. Do not open do not open it up. Just keep it, make sure it's tight. Just shake it. You can shake it 2 or 3 times a day. I shook mine 3 times a day, but just when you can. But make sure you shake it every day for the 2 to 4 weeks. I'm leaving mine for just 4 weeks. Hey family, here we are 4 weeks later. And during this process, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get ready to strain it. And this is where you add your honey. And then you put your top on. So there you have it. This is your survival. This is just some medicine. After the 4 weeks, then you want to sit this in your refrigerator. You sit in the refrigerator for additional 2 weeks. So when you sit in the refrigerator for additional 2 weeks, you don't have to shake it. You just got to make sure it goes all the way to the top, and then you put it in the refrigerator. This is already cured and been sitting in the refrigerator for the additional 2 weeks. So we're going to go ahead and take a shot. So here's my shot, guys. Look, you guys, with this process, look, this is very, very hot. I mean, very hot. So you want to take a shot, one shot every day. Look, I know you're taking other things, but look, I want to be careful. I want to make sure that I can ward off anything that come my way. So look, cheers. Woo! It's hot, you guys. My eyes are tearing. That is hot. Whew. So I should be having less sinus infection. I know y'all always hear me stuffed up. I know, but look. Let me drink some of my tea. You know, we still doing ashwagandha tea this week. Woo! It's no joke. That was no joke, you guys. But look, just want to make sure I give you some very wise alternatives. That's what that was. That was some very wise alternatives just for using vegetables and fruits in your own kitchen. Look, like I said, I know you guys probably don't have your apothecary together, so I just want to make sure I give you something extra. Look, it was, horseradish. You can grow that. Ginger, the garlic, we can grow that inside, outside. So look, just want to share the love. Look, let's make sure we have less infections, especially, look, we don't know what's out there. Like I said, we don't know what's going on in immunizations. I just want to share something with you. So look up that recipe. Look at that recipe. It will be down below. I just wanted to share the love because I know I didn't talk about infections in the last video, but I wanted to mention that. But look, worrying about those viruses and those infections. Look, make this today. Go out, buy all organic, and make yours today. Do not play. This is something you definitely want to put in your arsenal, especially if you don't have your apothecary together. Look, happy Friday, and you guys, look, have a good day. I gotta take some more tea because that stuff is strong, you guys. It's strong. That word fire. Oh my gosh. I still feel it burning down. Look. Bye.